yesterday I took apart my Xbox and it doesn't work anymore. So I'm gonna throw it out. And this is the aftermath. Let's see. Let's put it in the garbage. Let's go. Shit. Well, probably broke something. But let's try and take this apart. If you want to take your disk drive apart, you gotta do it in a delicate way. So, let me get my Swiss Army knife. First of all, you don't want to get electrocuted, so you want to cut some of the wires. So you want to cut this one. Yeah, just like that. Oh, can you put it back in? Oh, you can. Well, that's off. Oh, you can take this out. We even know this. So you want to take this one, because there's no point in having it. Let's go back here. Want to cut this wire. Is it cut? Yeah, and then you want to cut that. Oh shit, well, it is what it is. I mean, almost. God damn it. You also want to cut these because there's no point. Trust me, guys, I am a professional, so these wires don't do anything anyways. You also want to cut these wires just in case you don't want to get electrocuted. Take these apart. Yes. Yeah. So. Oh. This part came out. Now what did this come out? Oh. Oh yes. We're getting somewhere. What's going on? Oh wait. What's oh, is it what's it hitting? Oh, okay. Nice. We done it. And just put it back where it belongs and take this out. Small Phillips head. So you want to cut this piece off because there's no point in having it. Doesn't really do much for you. Just boom. Oh, you don't even need to cut it out. See, it works much better, you know. So. What am I doing? Oh. Hell yeah. So yeah. So this is how you fix it. He's teaching you how to fix your Xbox. Easy peasy. Just come on. Come on. So you need to grab this. Dump that out. Just jump it in there. Yeah, right there. Snug and tight. You want to plug this back in. Where is it? Should be plugged in. Where the fuck would it go? What? I swear to God. See, I'm trying to find. I can't find it. Shit. Might be brokey. We can't find a specific part to plug it in. Wait, it might be. Oh, there it is. You want this piece. Just shove it in there. So shove it in there. I don't have a GoPro. I'm using my phone, so you just gotta bear with me. How am I gonna do this? Oh, I'll figure it out way. Oh, put it. Two guys. I'm sorry. Fuck. Come on. So with this, you got your motherboard in, or I think you do. Yeah, you do. You want to plug this piece in. So I'm not sure if you can see it, but plug the white one into the white one. Oh, shit, yeah. Oh, plug the white one to the white one. God damn it. Sometimes it takes time. Fuck. Takes time. Takes time. Takes time. You know what? Sometimes those doesn't work. You gotta do plan B. And you gotta bring the wires to the outlet, or whatever you call it. So of course you don't grab your Swiss Army knife. It has to be a Swiss Army knife. It has to be. Just cut it. Oh, that unplugs. Oh, okay. Oh. These unplug, so you don't have to cut it. And grab the white one and plug it to the white this, so right there. And grab this one. Black one. And you plug these ones up. I'll show you. Over here. So these two. Fuck it. You wanna shit. You wanna plug it into, or is it I'm blind again. I am a hacking blind. So you wanna plug it into this bad boy and this bad boy. So you gotta do that. Yeah. Shit. Okay. I'll show you. God damn it. Oh, unplugged. And, plug it in here. Yeah. Oh, yes. This is how you fix an Xbox. Shove it in there. Like, you mean it. Talk dirty to it. Like, yeah, filthy. Filthy. Oh, fuck. Come on, you filthy heathen. I think I have it plugged in the wrong way, so you gotta unplug it. I think it was in there. I gotta flip. Sometimes if you don't have it doesn't plug in, you gotta flip it. So sometimes. Fuck. Or is it? What? Yeah, okay. And, okay. Pretty much just trial and error. So you should. plug this bad boy in, fucking go in. It's not going in. When it doesn't go in, that's the issue. Because it doesn't want to work, and that's not okay. So you turn it. Fucking plug it. Go in. Oh my god! You know what? You don't need the black one to be plugged in. You need half the power. You know, just save money on the electricity bill. It's just as good. But it's ideal too. Plug it in. You just give it a little blowy. Or I have it the wrong way. Well, I'm an idiot. Or did I? What? What? Fucking flip it? What? Am I stupid or something? I think we don't plug this. And let me take this out. Sometimes you need to take out. You probably can't see it. Camera angle change, like pro. Sometimes you need to do. Oh shit. Sometimes you need to take out the whole thing to be able to plug it in properly. I know I say like half the power is like just as good, but sometimes I can afford a little electricity bill. Let's be honest, I can afford it. I got $19 to my name. That's enough. Fucking go in. Okay. See, this is plugged in. See, this will. You need to put it somewhere like right here. Boom. Is oh fuck. This is how you have it. This is how you want it. Okay. So yeah. So you put it back. That's other way around. Of course. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back in. Fucking put it back in. There you go. And unplugged. God damn it. No, sometimes, half the power is just as good. Half the power is just as good, guys. So, don't have to plug both of them in. It'll work just as good, but ideally you want to plug them. But we're not gonna waste time doing that. This piece has a cover, so you want to slap it in. Ideally, and place it and place it in. Who plays games on disc nowadays? You don't need that. Nah, fine. We don't need this. So. No, pretty much you want to put it in. Go in. Wait, no, wrong way. And there you go. So it fits in the glove, and then you have these bad boys, and you this way. Where's it this way? Yeah, this way. And a couple of wires sticking out, just cut the wire. You don't need that. Yes. Put that in the garbage because who needs that? Goes on is. Screw this back in. I can find the right screws in your screw pile. I think this is the one. Yes. And I use my Swiss Army knife. If you don't have a Swiss Army knife, butter knife will do good. You don't have a butter knife? Well, use your fingers then. You can figure out ways to use no, fuck it. Why I keep doing this? Life as a YouTuber, man, it's difficult. So, yeah. Don't find my house, please. I'll probably blur it out. I'm standing in front of the camera, but shit. That's the right one. And what you want to do is screw these back in. So that's what you want to do. Oh, shit. It's gonna take a while. Yeah. Should be a long video. So you better tune in. You don't watch the full video, I'll find where you live. I'll find you. So, you want to put all the screws in? You find all the right screws, hopefully. Yes, sir. If you have arthritis, too bad for you. Get a young child to do it for you. Child saver, does a trick. I have no children, so I gotta do it myself. Shamefully. These aren't the only ones you kind of need to really screw in. Don't really need much, Screw in tight. Yes. Yeah, I did not steal that from Super Mega. Yeah, I did. I'm sorry. But shove that in. Yes, sir. It's pretty nice. And that kind of fits in here. Punch it in. Nice. This can go in the trash because I don't play this disc anymore. This is essential. This is essential to oh, I gotta put the fan back in. Goddamn. Well, if you want to learn how to put the fan back in place, it's not hard. Put it. See where this plug-in is? That's the plug-in of the fan. And the I don't have an OnlyFans, so this is the only fans I have. Haha! Well, I got two fans. No, I'm fucking funny. I'm sorry. Let's go shove it in there. Yes, let's go. Boom. You want that cooling closely so your Xbox doesn't overheat. So this way, actually, you want it on top. If I'm being honest, if you have it on top, you're pretty alright. We're gonna turn this bad boy on and see what happens. Wish me luck. So let's get after it. Ideally, how you want to plug it in is plug into the Xbox first, then to the wall. Shove it in there. Oh, shit. And I do have a speech impediment, so please watch it in subtitles. Sometimes subtitles will be a little icky, but that should be fine. Why is it not working? Why is it not plugging in? What? What the heck? Come on, go in. You piece of garbage. Okay, sometimes you need to flip it over and it'll work, but oh, I can't even turn it on. Wait, I could probably try to turn it on manually if I can't even turn it on. Yeah, I think I have it backward. God damn it. I have it, no, I don't have it backwards. The right way. Yeah, that's the right way. Now, can't turn it on because I accidentally broke the power buttons. I forgot. So, yes, so we can't test the fans, but it works. Yeah, so have a fan on top of the heater because it'll cool off the heater faster. That's only when you set it. We want like kind of like this. Right there, yeah, good. Just like that. You almost. Oh, let's do it like yes. So you want it like this. This is how you want it. I've been doing this for years. Okay, I know what I'm talking about. Okay, calm down. I'm gonna keep this because it's not broken. This is the part. Oh, it's kind of like break. Ooh. Like, ooh. I'm like, I don't know. Oh shit. That's kind of cool. Fuck. You want to take all these off? Oh shit. No. Where did it go? Oh, I'll get it later. You want to take these off because you want as much air as possible. Even though you got your fan on top of your, fan on top of your heater, your furnace, you want air flowing in at all times. So there's a tip. There's a tip. Want air as much as possible. I'm just gonna put it. Let's put it here. Yeah. I need to take a dump. I'm gonna take a dump. So, alright, I'm back from that shit. Yeah, so you want to get the part here with your fan on top of your furnace, and you got your whatever that piece is. What else do we need? Oh yeah. Then we kind of want to shove this part in there. So it looks like this. Just the way you want it. Oh, you got your fan there. It's maybe not on top. You can't want it. It's a little on top. But you also want it. There you go. So it's like this. Yeah. So we're getting close to fixing our Xbox. If you want more, leave a subscribe and like. And you'll be just an expert, just like me. Can't stick my thumb out that well because my arm. But I'll say so. I don't know. YouTube, don't so yeah, so we got shit. Oh yeah, so we got these cooking apart. This is kind of like the Yonban. It brokey. So we don't need this. Because who turns on Xbox anyways to play the Xbox? No one. Let's be honest. Pretty much we just finished fixing the inside, so we don't put the top back on. I think it's like this. And you kind of force it on. You don't have to be gentle. You gotta show who's boss sometimes. So. There you go. And, so it's like this. You kind of like this. Cause it's not gonna fall apart as well. You kind of wanna, yeah, force it. So this is what it looks like. It's brand new. Looks brand new. Oh, you don't need this part anymore. Throw that out. Mice on shit. Oh, it's fucking good. Yeah. Then we're gonna slap the front on. So we're gonna snap the front on. Hopefully that'll go on. CPR. Snap it firm. Shit. It falls apart. Yeah. There you go. This is how you want to look. Kind of like this. Okay. Kind of like force this art. Got this button. Oh, just force it in there. There you go. Now we're talking. Yes. Yeah. You've got the eject button. Can't forget about these bad boys. Put it in like that. So like, if it falls out, that's fine. Actually, can you like snap it back in? Like this. It might be a little difficult. This is what it should look like, and slap these bad boys on. Can't forget about you. Sometimes the button will fall out, but it's not just put it back in. You want in that? Yes. So this is what it should look like. Oh, back. I feel like an old man. So, Xbox is all packed together. Put the control on top. I'm going to try and sell it. See, people will buy it. Alright, we want to see who is doing about a product. Let's get at it. We're going to head over to Discord. Let's join this group chat. Let's go to this Discord thingy thing. Let's go to this general. Let's get at it. Boom! What's up? What's up? Oh, hello there. Yeah, I'm selling my kick-ass Xbox that I'm building my two bare hands. Oh yeah, or really? Yeah, really. It's only for like 200 grand. Holy shit! Can't look at it. Oh, you bet your ass you can. Here it is. Holy moly, that looks amazing. Did you buy it from a store brand new? Huh, I wish. But no, I built it. I just built it in my bare hands. I just woke up one morning and just built it. 200 grand, I take PayPal. That sounds like let me run my credit card. Here's my credit card information. Thank you. Thank you. Fuck. Yeah. Boom. We're gonna look for other people to sell my shit to. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to this person. I don't think he wants to pick up. Yeah, I don't think he will pick up. Look for other people to buy my product. And I realized I was in this call for a while, so yeah, I was too lazy to cut this part out. So yeah, yeah, we're gonna look for other people to buy my product. Let's take a look at my other friends' Discord shit. You gotta type in VC so you know you want to sell something to them. I was looking for their VC, found them. Boom! And yeah, I was pretty much alone in this call the whole time. No one came in, sadly. So yeah. So we're gonna pretend boom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's just pretty much it. Wait. Oh yeah, I did. Boom. Boom. Yeah. See ya.